Hi there, Adam Scheifels here. I want to tell you about an amazing opportunity that's epic. And no pun intended, the name of the company is Epic. Epic Trading. You may have seen it on the internet. It's taking the internet by storm. It's in pre-launch right now. It launched, or it went into pre-launch September 1st, and it's going wild. Nearly 20,000 people signed up the first day. There's three reasons why you want to get involved. If you want to create generational wealth for yourself, the Forex markets is one of the best ways to do that. There are 6, 7, and 8-figure traders that are going to teach you how to trade these markets. And what will it cost you? You can sign up now for $20 and learn how to trade the markets. You can lock your position. And there's a reason why you want to lock your position if you want to make another stream of income with this opportunity via the comp plan. I'm going to share my screen and explain to you why this is, there's the comp plan, but right here, the compensation plan is one of the most generous and one of the most easiest to make money off of. All you need to do is find 3 people right here on top. After 3 people, you no longer have to pay for the subscription. The first month, there's a pre-launch special of $20. After that, it's $99 a month for ongoing trading, trade alerts, and things like that. But 3 is all you have to find. After that, you can make money off of spillover. And I'm going to show you how that happens. Here's my back office. I signed up 2 days ago, already have spillover. I haven't had, I just started promoting and I already have spillover. So yeah, it's not a lot, but that's not from my efforts. That's from somebody else. So as the organization grows, as more people come into this opportunity, the chances of getting more and more spillover is even greater. So, and as you can see, I'm not going to get into the comp plan, but it's very generous. Depending on how well you are at building an organization, you can see you will be well compensated. And this is apart from the money you can make off of the Forex markets. That's a totally different thing. And I'm going to show you just all of the things. Now, if you sign up, you will get your own duplicated website that looks like this. And as you can see, it's a good looking website. And it tells you this is what's included. You have the Epic University, Epic Trade Alerts. You can watch live trading sessions where you can look over the shoulder of one of the professional traders that will be teaching you. You have market forecasts, member support. There's a 2-week syllabus to jumpstart your training right off the bat. And there's a 20 pips and dip trade strategy that it has proven to make people money consistently. As you can see here, right now we're on the pre-launch special. Normally it's $99. It's $20 a month to get started. And after that, $99. And that includes all of this, the things that I talked about before. And if you want to be an IBO and market this, an independent business owner, and market this and build an organization, it's only $25 a month to do that. And as I showed, the compensation plan is one of the best. So let's go over again. First reason you want to get involved in this opportunity is it's only 20 bucks to get started. If it's not for you, cancel it. Second reason, And if you're watching this after October 1st, that $20 will no longer be available. It'll be $99. The second reason you want to get involved is because of the amazing comp plan, and you want to lock in your position. The sooner, the better, because there's a chance for spillover as the organization grows. The third reason is kind of what I was talking about before. This is going gangbusters. Tens of thousands of people are joining daily. And as a special bonus, I'm going to give you a $300 hotel or restaurant discount voucher card. That the restaurant card is good in the USA and Canada. The hotel card is good worldwide, gives you discounts. So you can sign up today for $20 and I will give you a $300 discount card. What do you got to lose? So click on the link below, get locked in, and let's go on this epic journey. It's going to be amazing. I look forward to talking to you. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.